just a little bit of puppy spam that I'd like to add. They're dwindling down now. We've sold every one of our puppies except one, this Australian Shepherd, but we still have plenty of time, so they are starting to go to their new homes now. Such a pleasure. Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube coming to you with a quick cheeky flip and lip, back to the basics, I guess. It's just a 20 by 25 canvas. I am just basically using up some leftover paints that I have here. So this, oh, lovely beauty, I will use on a big canvas, but I'm going to use it as a bit of a filler. So it's like, it was just white with a little bit of the phthalo blue added. So these are all bits of paint left over. So this is the greenish blue from Amsterdam. Oh, that's very thick. That may not work. This is a lovely turquoise left over. So I like to do this with my leftover paints. And this is a real fluoro orange, which will really pop your socks off. So I probably would have done this just on my own and not done any video, just using them up, but I thought I'll do a quick video. Maybe it will be a short video, shorts or whatever they call them. I'm not sure about all these new things in the YouTube world. This is a lovely metallic gold, so I've got to add that in there, and I'll go back to that. And then a bit more of this. And back to the fluoro. That'll really make it pop. Use up the last of my red, warm red. Use up the last bit of the bright yellow. Last bit of turquoise. That's about it. And last bit of the fluoro. Might actually give a squeeze of navy. Squeeze of my navy. Oh, the gold. I might as well, because I've literally got rid of all of the paints now, so I might just use this on my edges. Just help me tilt when I do my flip and lip. Rightio. Let's see how we go. So I'll do the flip. 1, 2, 3. Whip. Okay. It's well and truly flipped. I'm flipped too. Oh, crazy lady, crazy lady. And I'll have to cover that up for painting that I'll do next week. So that'll cover it with an airtight top, and then that'll be fine. Or you can put them in these containers, and as long as they've got a lid, the paint stays really usable for quite a long time. So I'm going to just oh wow, flip and lip. Just like basically dragging the lip of your cup through. Look at those colours. Oh my goodness, already started to create some nice effects. Oh, I don't want to. Let's get all over the canvas first before I start tilting my corners off. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just gently tilting. This is probably, definitely was a flip cup, was my first attempts at acrylic art, what, 3.5 years ago now, maybe longer, can't remember. Maybe 4 years now that I can't remember how long I've been doing it, but not years and years. But this was definitely my first technique, was the flip cut pour. So that is really shimmering because there's lots of that metallic gold in there. So I'll hit it with the, oh sorry if I've got the camera wobbly, hit it with the heat wand. Beautiful. Now, what I love to do, just one cheeky little Aussie slide, as I call them. So I'm going to use this little spatula because it's a smaller canvas. I've just got the black Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol only. And that's why I call it an Aussie slide, because it's Australian Floetrol and I'm sliding it over. So there you go, easy peasy. I'm just gonna give it one. Wow, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Okay, that's my Aussie slide. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at those gorgeous gems. Oh, just look at those. That is gorgeous. Just doing the one through it. I am going to leave it at the one. It's a small canvas, so I did one of these last week and it's dried beautifully. They're really effective. Yeah, you can do this on a big piece. If you do a flip cut pour or whatever, you could do that on a big piece. So give it a go, so much fun. Look at the lovely effects in that with those leftover colours. Very, very nice. Okay, my lovelies, please take care. Don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely, upset and you need to speak to someone, ring a friend or a family member. If they're not available, a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. We all need somebody and somebody needs us. Okie doke. Bye for now. Hello and welcome. Today I'm pouring on this nice little gallery wrapped canvas, a little chunky little monkey. I've put my masking tape on the back and I've just got it resting on my cake cooler tray. I'm not sure which tool I'm going to use today. I haven't used these little tools that I made up for quite a while now, or I might use my Knittinora the Bug Explorer comb or my Catalyst wedge. I'm not sure, but first of all I'm going to give my canvas a quick covering of black. Let's go with a different base today. So it's just my normal acrylic paint. I'm just covering it with the black. So hopefully the colours that then I put on my canvas will really pop next to the black. So you can absolutely use any colour as your background whatsoever. it does. This is just the same paint mixed with my pouring medium as what I've got mixed for the rest of my pour. So I'm going to just give it a quick coat. Now, if you're doing this at home, make this part of the process, you know, the enjoyable part of the process is canvas prepping and sponge coating. It's all relaxing, I find. So enjoy the whole process. Just, oh my goodness, always forget my cloth. But that's it. I'm getting old. Those things happen. Got to deal with it. Oh, my dogs. Goodness, all day they have been quiet, and then when I start to do a video, what happens? They go berserk. Rightio, I'm going to put I'm doing a feather, so I'm going to just put some paint where my feather will be. Hopefully it looks like a feather and not something else. Just deciding which colours to use here. So that was the white. I think I'll put some gold in. This is champagne gold actually that I make up. It is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. So it makes a really nice metallic gold. And this is my turquoise. Hear the birds singing out there. They're really giving it a go. The turquoise. Where's my purple? I'm trying to look for a purple. Purple. Okay, I have some, but it's not in that small squeezy bottle. So I'm gonna see how this goes. So this is the. I have to poke the end of it because my thingy has got gunk in it. So you just use a little skewer, and hopefully I'll get some paint come out of that. And then I'm going to use this dark aqua green. So it's kind of like peacock feather colours, isn't it? Ooh. It's a little blob. Rightio. I will squeeze a little bit of my purple, and this one is mixed with the Australian Floetrol, so hopefully I'll get the kind of nice cells. Now the thing was, do I swipe with one of these or do I use Catalyt's wedge, or do I use the Nora the Bug Explorer? Let me just try this first off. I think the way I've got the teeth cut in, they're too wide. It's probably not gonna work. No, it's not too bad. I didn't think it would work on this smaller canvas, but let's see. Does actually give some feathery effects. So that's just use the soft plastic from a file divide and cut it into like teeth. So that's why I thought I was maybe have to use that. Well, this is a wobbly feather. This is a wobbly old feather, so I don't know if it looks much like a feather now. It's a bent feather. That's okay, nothing's perfect. It's actually quite nice. Don't like this here, so that needs some, I probably should have left that till the end. I've just got the choppy sticky thing, maybe to do the stem. That's not good there, but I'll have to try and maybe when it's all dry, do something with that stem. So I'm going to dip my chopstick in the black to try and do a vein through the wobbly feather. Oh dear. It doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too good either, but I think if this is allowed to dry and I just do a bit of touching up here, I think that it's going to be fine, and it would certainly pop with a resin over it that got some of the dragonfly glaze maybe in it. So I'm going to bring you down to have a little look at this. So here is my bent feather. I got a bit too ambitious going up the canvas, didn't I? But you know, it's very simple, very easy, but it's quite effective. I scraped a bit of that white off for the stem there, and just put a thinner line. So yeah, I think it's going to pop with a bit of nice resin with a bit of sparkle in it. It was an easy thing to do with that. So it's this. With this, it was just an offset spatula look that I just taped that the teeth on. The other one I did, ooh, it's got all jaggedy teeth. Do a different effect on another offset spatula. So you can often make your own tools, but maybe I'll try next time the Knitting Aura the Bug Explorer comb. Crazy. Definitely a crazy lady. Okay, my lovelies, please take care of yourselves. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Do not suffer in silence, or a helpline. There is always somebody there to help you. Okie doke, if my feather don't tickle your fancy, hopefully what I do tomorrow will. So take care, lovelies. Bye for now.